In front of me is TCL 50SE, and today I would like to show you how you can change sleep time to 1 hour. First of all, go into Play Store and download free app called Caffeine. Keep screen on. It has to be from this developer. When your app is ready, launch it. Select OK in Welcome pop-up and tap on Timeout. Then select 1 hour at the bottom of the list and go into Tab menu. Now to use this app, you need to edit your menu thanks to this pen at the bottom left corner. Swipe all the way down. Hit Caffeine. Hold Caffeine shortcut. Drag it to your current ones. Place it wherever you want to, and then to go back, click at the top left corner. Finally, just click on your new shortcut. As you can see, my sleep time was successfully turned on. To turn it off, hit the same shortcut again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!